Two bags A and B contain beads. Bag A contains 7 red beads and 2 yellow beads. Bag B contains 1 red bead and 4 yellow beads. One bead is taken at random from bag A and put into bag B. One bead is then taken at random from bag B and put into bag A. We need to work out the probability that bag A still contains exactly red beads. So we need to get a sense of what's going on in this problem. So if we're taking a bead at random from bag A, well, let's imagine that bead was red. Yeah, so we're taking a red bead from bag A. It happens to be red, we're choosing it at random. And it goes into bag B. And then we're taking a bead from bag B and putting it back into bag A. And because we want the probability, or we want bag A to still contain red beads, that means if a red bead moved from bag A into bag B, then a red bead, either one of these, would need to move from bag B back into bag A. So one possibility is red followed by red. So let's write that down. So we want the probability of red followed by red. Okay, so a red from bag A and a red from bag B. Okay, but there's another possible outcome here, because it may have been that I picked a yellow from bag A and moved it into bag B. Now, in order for, well, at the moment I've still got 7 red beads in A. If a red came from B back into A now, there'd be 8 reds, so I wouldn't have exactly 7 red beads in bag A. The only thing that can now happen to still have these 7 red beads in bag A is a yellow, it doesn't matter which one, would have to come back into bag A again. So that would be a yellow from bag A to B, and then a yellow back from bag B to bag A. So our two options, we've got red followed by red, or plus in this case, yellow followed by yellow. These are the only two scenarios that would mean that I still had exactly 7 red beads in bag A. A red needs to move out and back in, or a yellow needs to move out and a yellow back in. So the probability of red followed by red, well, let's think about what that might be. So I've got there's 9 beads in this bag, and I've got a 7 out of the 9 beads, so a 7 in 9, 7/9 of a chance of picking a red. So I'm going to have 7/9, and once the red has moved over here, I've now got 6 beads in bag B, and 2 of those are red. So I've got a 2 in 6 chance, or a 2/6 of a probability to pick a red from bag B. So I'll put that back for now. So it's going to be red and red, so 7/9 times by 2/6. Or, so we're adding, and the probability of yellow followed by yellow. Well, there's a 2 in 9 chance, or 2/9 of a chance of picking a yellow. Once I've picked a yellow and it's moved into bag B, I've now got 5 yellows in 6 beads, so that's going to be 5/6 of a chance of picking yellow again. So I need to times that by 5/6, and then that would mean that I've still got 7 red beads in bag A. So this is the calculation I want to do. Okay, so that's going to be equal to, well, that's going to be 14/54 plus 10, and 9/6 is 54. Okay, so my probability is going to be 24/54, and then that simplifies to both divisible by 6, so that's going to be 4 4/9. Okay, so I have a probability of 4/9 that I will still have 7 red beads in